Alright, in this particular chapter, we are going to see different types of timers which is used in CODESYS software. There are basically three types of timer. The first one is a TP timer, second is on delay timer, third is off delay timer. So we are going to see all these timers one by one. So let's start with this TP timer. So for that, I have considered a simple application here. I have IR sensor mounted at the entry of this gate, and I operate this sliding gate using this electric motor. When this sensor gets true, the timer starts at the same time, and at the same time it will turn on output, which is motor, and this output will turn on for particular time period. Let's see with an example. I have already created a program for TP timer. Here is a entry sensor along with the TP timer, and this is output. And when I just turn this on, just click on the right value, you can see the output remains on for some time period. The time period is 3 seconds, and after that it gets off. Okay, this is a simple application of TP timer you can use in your program. Let's move to another type of timer, which is on delay timer. As the name suggests, the particular action happens after some time period. So for that, I have considered an example of pick and place system here. This is a carton, and there is a sensor which detects the presence of this carton, and then after some particular time period, I give a command to this robotic arm to pick the carton and place it at second location. So when this sensor gets true, the timer start running at the same time period, but after completion of this timer, the output gets on. So this is simple application. Let's see with an example. So let's see. I will make it true. Just go here and click on write values. You can see the timer is running, output is still off, and after 5 seconds it will turn on. Okay, that's it. Alright, let's move to another type of timer, which is off delay timer. In this case, action happens after a particular time. So for that, I have considered a simple example here, a machine along with a cooling fan. So in this case, when I stop this machine, this cooling fan remains on for particular time period. For example, when the transition happens, when I stop this machine, the timer will start running, and after at the same time, until the timer is running, this cooling fan will run for same preset time, and after that it will get off. Let's see with an example. As you can see, I will just turn on this machine first. Okay, now machine is running and fan is also running. When I turn off this machine, the cooling fan is still running and it will turn off after 6 seconds, as you can see. Okay, we have gone through all three types of timers, and I hope this will help you in your programming